How to become an AFFSTORE affiliate. A complete guide. If you're looking for an effective way to generate income online, becoming an AFFSTORE affiliate could be an excellent opportunity. In this article, we'll explain how AFFSTORE works, how you can become an affiliate, and provide essential tips to maximize your earnings. Remember, throughout the video, the link to open your account on AFFSTORE is in the description. What is AFFSTORE? AFFSTORE is an affiliate platform that connects advertisers with content creators, affiliates, to promote products and services online. As an affiliate, you can choose from a wide range of products and services to promote on your social networks, blogs, websites, or even YouTube videos. How does AFFSTORE work? Registration. First, you need to create an account on AFFSTORE. Don't worry, it's a simple and quick process. Just click on the link in the description of this video and follow the instructions. Product selection. After creating your account, you'll have access to a wide selection of products and services to promote. Choose the ones that best align with your niche or target audience. Affiliate link generation. For each product you decide to promote, AFFSTORE generates a unique link. This is the link you will share with your audience. Every time someone makes a purchase or signs up through this link, you earn a commission. Receiving commissions. AFFSTORE has a transparent and efficient payment system. You can monitor your sales in real time and request a withdrawal of your earnings once you reach the minimum amount set by the platform. How to become an AFFSTORE affiliate. Click the link in the description. The first step is to click the link in the description of this video. It will take you directly to the AFFSTORE registration page. Fill in your information. Enter your personal details such as your name, email, and create a secure password. You will also need to provide payment information so AFFSTORE can transfer your commissions. Choose your niche. After completing the registration, explore the categories of products and services available on the platform. Choose those that best align with your niche or your audience's interests. Promote and earn. Start promoting the products you have chosen. Use your social networks, blogs, and videos to share the affiliate links generated by AFFSTORE. Tips to maximize your earnings. Know your audience. Understand what your audience is looking for and promote products that truly add value to them. The more relevant the product, the higher the chances of conversion. Create quality content. Invest in quality content that engages and educates your audience about the products you're promoting. Monitor your sales. Use AFFSTORE's analytics tools to track which strategies are generating the most sales. This will allow you to optimize your campaigns and increase your earnings. Consider the affiliate platform. Another valuable tip is to create an account on the site www.plataformadiaffiliados.com. This platform offers additional resources and can help you diversify your income sources as an affiliate.